Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kuiper and I'm back today with a new experiment. My helper today is Shiloh, and the supplies you're going to need 2 glasses, one filled with water and one that's empty. You're going to need a paper towel, and if you want you can have some food coloring. Step 1, you're going to fill up a glass with water. Step 2, you're going to put a couple of drops of food coloring in it. What color do you want, Shiloh? What color?
Purple and pink.
Let's just pick one color.
Blue. Can I put it in?
Yep. Okay. That's there we go. That's the rest of it. Alright. For the next step, you want to roll up your paper towel. And you're going to put it in both parts of the cup. And before we do this, what do you think is going to happen to this cup?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, let's see what happens.
Whoa, it's turning light blue, Mom.
Yep, the paper towel is starting to get blue.
It's going into this cup.
Let's see. We're going to leave it here. This experiment takes a little bit of time, and we'll check back in a little bit. Alright boys and girls, so it's been about an hour since we started our experiment, and you can see that the water traveled on the paper towel and walked over to the other cup. Look, I have water in the bottom of my other cup. Now, I've seen it online where people put blue in one cup and yellow in a cup over here and mix it together to see if they can get green or maybe blue and red. So if you want to try that, you can. I hope you're staying safe, kind, and respectful, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on Thursday. Bye.